this is part 1 of Christmas haul. Okay, so this is part 1 of Christmas haul, or my Christmas haul of you. And there's also gonna be a part 2, 3, and 4. So yeah, let's get started. So first off, I got like this mannequin head. Yeah. I really want to learn how to do like cute hairstyles. Well, I can do like cute, but like I want to do like, whoa, that's a lot of likes. Anyways, I want to do French braids. I want to learn to do it. So yeah. Next, smartwatch, or I don't know what you call it, but yeah, slay. Next, eyeshadow palette. So yeah, how gorgeous. And it even tells you how to do your eyeshadow. This is all for the doll. Well, mannequin head actually. Yeah, you know. Here. Here. It's so cute. Well, it's for the mannequin head. So, yeah. Next, this. It's so cute. It's a wallet with nothing in it. Yeah. Next, this is also for the doll. It's hair ties. This is not for the doll. It's for me. The mannequin can't use it. And then lastly, I got this cat stickers and neck pads. So yeah, this was part 1 of my Christmas haul. Bye.